JobTraQ allows organizations to be more efficient by automating human-to-human workflow and task management. JobTraQ is targeted at the users who are performing the work within organizations and answers the question for them, what are the most important tasks for me to get done today? JobTraQ provides hierarchical team management. JobTraQ allows control of task visibility and provides visibility into hierarchical team task lists so that managers and directors can see all teams and department tasks, and end users see or manage only the tasks assigned to either themselves or their team. JobTraQ allows a rapidly adaptable business process framework, which is the ability to create rules and direct tasks through a workflow. JobTraQ allows you to add your own data to your customized forms to show the appropriate information to each task contributor at the appropriate step. Any sensitive fields or data can be hidden with access-controlled permission groups. This allows all the data associated with the task or project to be kept together while providing teams and managers visibility into the status of all ongoing work. There is a searchable online work history, real-time reporting, and performance-based metrics. According to Gartner, organizations that utilize task management systems achieve 15 to 150% gains in productivity. Here's how JobTraQ can help your organization improve productivity. JobTraQ allows users to see their tasks as users and team tasks as a team leader, so everyone knows what they need to be working on today. Team leaders can see the work distribution of team members and any due or overdue tasks. Notifications are sent via email for task updates. There is a team calendar, and you can also create scheduled and recurring tasks. JobTraQ provides accountability in multiple ways. First, JobTraQ collects metrics about team workload and performance with respect to time and completion rate. JobTraQ's audit trail records every change everyone makes to every field every time. This provides accountability for any changes made to the tasks, any tracked entity or system configuration, which is required for myriad compliance regulations and overall change accountability. Upcoming milestones have proactive alerting via checkpoints, so that if a milestone is missed, an email notification is sent. This provides intuitive alerting. JobTraQ is integrated with LDAP and Outlook and provides a web services API for integration with other information systems. JobTraQ uses LDAP to assume all users managed by your Active Directory server so that separate JobTraQ logins need not be maintained. It has a seamless Outlook integration add-in for tasks, appointments, and contacts. JobTraQ's simple system configuration allows you to customize your workflow tracking without the need of a programmer. Forms used to track tasks have a drag-and-drop interface for customization. Custom fields and statuses can be created to model your organization's workflow. Create role-based permissions to enforce access levels to fields and forms. Rules can be created with pick lists to push tasks from one step to the next and one assignee to the next. Here's an overview of a sample workflow from start to completion. Once you've implemented your system, the project manager can define projects, create and assign projects and tasks, email notifications, alert team members and stakeholders. Team members will provide their input, documents, and data, and update the process record with status details. JobTraQ's workflow engine will automatically reassign the task to the next contributor, and notifications will go out. The next contributor reviews and completes their step in the workflow and updates to the next stage. Notifications are sent out, and the audit trail captures all actions and metrics. JobTraQ has a new business intelligence module where you can create visually compelling reports showing key performance indicators and team performance metrics. You can answer questions like, how long does the average task take by type or by assignee? Discover bottlenecks in your workflow. Create graphical reports that show what stage or status all of your open tasks are in, and many other performance metrics. Reports can be created on the fly, shared, scheduled, and emailed. Custom fields in JobTraQ are immediately available in the BI reporting module. JobTraQ equals task enablement. Using JobTraQ, workers feel that they do their jobs better because JobTraQ provides them with an organized task list, task priorities, and visibility around their loading levels. They get credit for good work. Managers appreciate JobTraQ for the accountable process it provides with visibility and metrics. JobTraQ has unlimited uses from service teams in IT or industrial, medical, scientific, and financial applications, including case management, fleet or machinery management, and production teams. With its complete audit trail, JobTraQ is ideal for any workflow or business process that requires SOX or other regulatory compliance. Contact Swift Software and get started with JobTraQ today.